Now that we have cleaned out one face of our board, we want to lay out the legs to get ready to glue them. First off, we want to make sure that our two good faces are going to be glued together, and on the outside we should have both of those X's indicating that those are our rough faces. Additionally, you want to look for any large gaps between the boards. If you can squeeze the boards together and the gap closes, that's good. If when you squeeze the boards together, the gap does not close, that's an issue, because once you glue it up, that gap is still going to be there. This is the stage where you want to make sure that any gaps are eliminated so that our finished product looks much better. When I have my board laid out how I want it, I'm going to number each board so that when I get into the glue room to glue it up, I reduce the risk of mixing up my boards when I glue them. One last thing that you can look for is the aesthetics of the edge grain. Here we have kind of two differing edge grains. We have more of a straight angled grain here, and we have kind of a curvy grain over here. Essentially, we are making a thicker board, and the edges will be visible on the project. We can orient those so that they're not seen as clearly, but at this stage you can mix and match pieces to minimize the differing edge grain in the pieces so that down the road it's going to look a little bit better.